The television industry is at an inflection point.
It's a great business, and it always changes, and the technology drives that change. Sinclair's never been shy about adopting technologies or trying new technologies. What we do for a living is to move content to viewers. How they get that content becomes very important to us. In scoping our distribution needs for American Sports Network, it became really clear to me that the best way to distribute this content to our affiliates was IP.
So we went out to the industry, we interviewed a lot of companies and dug in deep ourselves. But at the end of the day, LTN rose to the top and provided solutions that were not just sort of a one-size-fits-all. It's not always a straight line, from a sports venue in Baltimore, Maryland to a station on the West Coast. Every link in that process has to be flawless in order to bring that best experience of that content to the consumer wherever they are.
One of the challenges we have is to ensure that content is distributed on all of the devices that our viewers or consumers want to watch that content on.
How do we build a mobile standard that also provides better efficiency, better pictures, better services, and a whole bunch of use cases really around the notion of wireless?
It's about to get so much better because the next generation of televisions will reach all sorts of devices.
The complexity of deploying next-gen can't be overstated. You need to simulcast programming in the current standard and the new standard, and moving IP bits around is an engineering spaghetti bowl. LTN is perfectly situated to understand that and to provide solutions that allow us to interconnect with all of those stations.
In this relationship with LTN and through these partnerships that we've developed, we didn't have to compromise. Actually, it's been a win for everybody.
The relationship we have with the company is really important, because in this business, relationships mean a lot. And in some cases, it means getting things done.
ATSC3 really was formed out of what we saw as the necessity to transform the industry.
We've always been a very resourceful company and never afraid to do things differently.
LTN is the engineering guts that make this process, this innovation process, work.
There's a journey, and as you progress in that journey, you make constant changes as you move forward, and you're constantly breaking things in order to make things that are more meaningful.